Naval warfare just took a giant leap forward. The United States Navy has officially unveiled the USS John F. Kennedy, CVN-79, a next-generation nuclear-powered supercarrier that's not just big, it's built to dominate the seas for the next 50 years. Designed with unmatched technology, automation, and combat readiness, this warship is set to redefine how future wars will be fought on the ocean. Introduction. As threats rise across the globe from the Pacific to the Middle East, sea power remains the backbone of U.S. global influence. Aircraft carriers are the Navy's most powerful tools, serving as mobile air bases that can strike anywhere, anytime. The USS John F. Kennedy, CVN-79, named after the 35th President of the United States, is the second ship in the new Ford-class line of supercarriers, following the USS Gerald R. Ford, CVN-78. CVN-79 represents a total shift in design, combat systems, and efficiency. It's faster to deploy, cheaper to maintain, and deadlier than anything before it. In this detailed report, we'll explore what makes this carrier a revolution. From its electromagnetic catapults to its reduced crew size, improved flight deck, and cutting-edge weapon systems. Welcome to the future of naval dominance. The origins and purpose of CVN-79. The USS John F. Kennedy, CVN-79, is part of the Ford-class carrier program, initiated to replace the aging Nimitz-class fleet. The U.S. Navy began planning for this new class in the early 2000s with a focus on modernization, combat effectiveness, and long-term cost savings. As global threats became more complex, the Navy needed a carrier that could launch more sorties per day, operate with fewer sailors, and integrate with new technologies like unmanned systems and future weapons. Construction of CVN-79 officially began in 2015 at Huntington Ingalls Industries in Newport News, Virginia, the only shipyard in the U.S. capable of building nuclear-powered carriers. The keel was laid in 2015, and by 2020, the massive 100,000-ton hull was taking shape with improved modular construction techniques. The carrier is expected to be fully operational in the next few years. The main mission of CVN-79 is clear: project American power anywhere in the world. With a lifespan of over 50 years, it will carry out strike missions, support humanitarian operations, maintain freedom of navigation, and serve as a deterrent against hostile nations. It's not just a ship, it's a floating fortress. Design and structural advancements. The CVN-79 features a redesigned flight deck that enhances both safety and operational tempo. Its island, the tower structure on deck, is moved further aft and is 20% smaller than that of the Nimitz class, allowing more space for aircraft to maneuver. This, combined with improved elevators and storage, allows for quicker turnarounds and a 25% increase in sortie rates. A key innovation is the Electromagnetic Aircraft Launch System, EMALS, which replaces traditional steam catapults. EMALS is lighter, more efficient, and puts less stress on the aircraft, extending their service life. Additionally, the Advanced Arresting Gear, AAG, used to recover landing aircraft also uses electromagnetic technology, offering better control and safety. The ship's hull and structure are designed for improved survivability. It includes upgraded radar-absorbent materials, better compartmentalization, and reinforced bulkheads to withstand modern missile threats. These enhancements make CVN-79 one of the most resilient warships ever built. Next-generation power and propulsion. CVN-79 is powered by two newly designed Bechtel A-1B nuclear reactors, replacing the older A-4W reactors used in Nimitz-class carriers. These reactors provide triple the electrical output of their predecessors, generating enough power not only for propulsion and aircraft operations, but also for advanced future weapons like directed energy systems and railguns. With this surplus power, CVN-79 is future-proof. It's built to evolve with time, able to integrate next-gen technologies without needing a full redesign. Whether it's electromagnetic rail weapons, laser defense systems, or advanced radar arrays, this carrier has the energy to handle it all. Its propulsion system also improves speed and maneuverability. While official top speeds are classified, estimates suggest it exceeds 30 knots, 35 plus miles per hour, making it fast enough to deploy rapidly to crisis zones. The elimination of steam catapults also reduces maintenance and fuel needs, leading to better overall efficiency. Reduced crew, greater efficiency. One of the most revolutionary aspects of the CVN-79 is its focus on automation and efficiency. Thanks to advanced systems, the ship requires about 600 fewer crew members than its predecessors, saving an estimated $4 billion in operating costs over its lifetime. Automated weapons elevators, advanced maintenance systems, and AI-assisted diagnostics reduce the workload on sailors, allowing a smaller crew to manage a more complex vessel. The total crew is expected to be around 4,600 personnel, including air wing, compared to over 5,000 on Nimitz-class carriers. This shift not only saves money, but improves quality of life on board. More automation means fewer repetitive tasks and more time for training, strategy, and mission focus. Living quarters are also redesigned for greater comfort, supporting longer deployments with higher morale. Air wing and combat capabilities. The CVN-79 will host a mix of manned and unmanned aircraft. Its air wing includes F-35C stealth fighters, FA-18EF Super Hornets, EA-18G Growlers for electronic warfare, E-2D Hawkeyes for early warning, and MH-60RS helicopters. In the future, it will also deploy unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, like the MQ-25 Stingray for aerial refueling and reconnaissance. With EMALS and AG, CVN-79 can launch and recover aircraft faster, with less wear and tear. This means more combat power in the air at any given time. Its increased sortie rate, up to 160 per day in sustained operations, is a game changer for naval aviation. The flight deck is also designed to support rapid rearming and refueling. This means fighter jets can be turned around faster, keeping pressure on the enemy. Whether it's a high-intensity war or a humanitarian response, the Kennedy is built to stay in the fight. Cutting-edge defense and sensor systems. CVN-79 features a powerful dual-band radar system that combines long-range surveillance with precise targeting. This system allows the ship to track hundreds of targets simultaneously, whether they're aircraft, ships, or incoming missiles. The carrier is protected by a layered defense system, including rolling airframe missiles, RAM, evolved Sea Sparrow missiles, ESSM, Phalanx close-in weapon systems, CIWS, and electronic countermeasures. These defenses are coordinated by a combat information center equipped with next-gen displays and AI-driven threat analysis. What's more, the ship can serve as the command hub for entire carrier strike groups. With satellite links, secure comms, and real-time battlefield data, CVN-79 turns into a floating operations center capable of controlling joint operations across air, sea, and land. Strategic role in U.S. naval power. The USS John F. Kennedy will play a critical role in America's global military strategy. As China and Russia grow more aggressive in the Pacific and Arctic regions, having a mobile, nearly unsinkable base of operations becomes vital. CVN-79 provides that presence. Its long-range reach allows the U.S. to strike anywhere in the world without needing foreign bases. In times of conflict, it serves as a force multiplier, supporting special operations, launching massive airstrikes, or acting as a floating embassy in crisis zones. CVN-79 is not just a ship, it's a strategic message. It tells allies that the U.S. is committed to defense and tells adversaries that the seas are not up for grabs. With this carrier, the U.S. Navy ensures it will dominate the world's oceans for decades to come. Conclusion. The USS John F. Kennedy, CVN-79, is more than a supercarrier. It's a turning point in naval history. With unmatched power, flexibility, and technology, it's built to meet the challenges of the 21st century head-on. From launching stealth jets to leading multinational task forces, this ship does it all. Its unveiling marks a new era in naval warfare. Built to evolve, designed for dominance, and ready for whatever the future brings, the CVN-79 proves once again why the U.S. Navy remains the most powerful maritime force on the planet. What surprised you the most about the USS John F. Kennedy? Is it the power, the technology, or how it could change future naval missions? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if this breakdown impressed you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.